Alright, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Mazorca Poolana.
Wow, Aura Speed Group. Wow.
Of course, ladies and gentlemen, dili pun magpalupit ang taga-Maroon team. We have the Pasan Saki.
And of course, ang atong blue team silang Panoyong. Manlod ka na. Diba?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, dili magpalupit ang ato ang orange team. That is the Tumindingan.